What's up guys, Jeff here. Welcome into the video. This video we're going to show you how to build a research agent, AI research agent that researches YouTube for trends, for winning content within your niche or industry. It can even go as far as research your competitors and do competitor analysis so that you know what your competitors are doing, what's working, so you can stay on top of trends, stay relevant, implement new technologies, and ultimately stay ahead of the game. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to one-click install an AI research agent into your business that'll integrate with your Slack, your Discord, or your email, or even generate a Google Doc full report that gets emailed to you on a weekly basis, detailing your industry's trends, your industry's content research, YouTube research, different innovations that are happening in your space so that you can get a nice pulse on your industry and stay up to date and relevant with the changes that are happening in the economy. This video is part of the one-man AI business to help entrepreneurs go from 0 to 100K per month selling AI infrastructures. And specifically, this is going to be part of lead generation and the content infrastructure, which we have a lot of other videos about. You can click here to check out the content personal branding infrastructure video we did. I built this business after I read this book called Opportunities, which talked about future-proof businesses and the skill sets that actually appreciate over time. I wanted to pursue something that would actually appreciate as time went by. It wouldn't depreciate like the economy or inflation or things like that. The interesting thing about being able to stay up with the economics of the day is to be able to predict what's going to happen in the future, what's going to happen with the economy, what's going to happen with the stock markets, what's going to happen in your industry, what's going to happen in your space. And doing research and getting all this data and these data points and finding patterns and trends and trajectories is something that allows you to make a lot better decisions and ultimately to make a lot more money. It also allows you to time the moves that you're making in your industry and in your space. And specifically, if you're a creator for this infrastructure, which is part of the content infrastructure, which does a lot of YouTube research for you and finds insights and industry trends from YouTube, because a lot of creators are typically on the cutting edge of what's working in a specific niche. This is going to allow you to time your business decisions, time your moves better, and get a good pulse on the economy so that you can grow and obviously make the right moves. Similarly, when I was reading this book, I also got the idea that there was a new type of business that you could build. This new type of business was along the lines of giving people information, and specifically a research business. So a business based off of doing research and delivering insights to your clients was something that it was a really interesting idea that I've been pondering for a long time. And this research agent, this research infrastructure actually enables an entire new kind of consulting business to open up. A business that really works in terms of data and delivering analytics and insights to businesses, specifically competitor analysis, market trends, market research, so that businesses can implement the right things at the right times, make better decisions. And the value of a research business is one that will appreciate over time and especially start to appreciate rapidly in a rapidly changing economic place and a marketplace that's rapidly changing with a lot of new data points and a lot of ability to process that data very quickly with AI. One of the more interesting ideas within being able to rapidly grow and get these new technologies, get these AI infrastructures installed, and I'm going to show you how to install this research agent in your business with one click, is that you don't have to know how it's working necessarily. You just need to work with the right people and get it installed. All right, so if you guys want this AI research agent installed in your business, you can jump into HVT and just pay for the membership. Just message me, we'll send you a link to payment. You jump into premium coaching and then you go to blueprints, and then you can get all the blueprints for all the automations that we built. Go click on AI Research Assistant and then click on download here. Just click this download button. You can download the agent and the workflow as well. Those are two downloads downloads. Then you go back into your N8N account and you click import from file or import from URL, and you can download that. Or if you don't want to go through all that, just work with us personally and we'll install the full infrastructure for you. Similarly, you can also go download the One Man AI Business Playbook, and that's here. That's hosted here. The link's in the description. You can go download the playbook and you'll get access to this Notion playbook with all of our infrastructures. Click on content infrastructure and click on AI research agent, and all of your templates will be in here as well. And that's my free gift to you today. And this is for a limited time. This playbook will be free for a limited time. So just click the link right now to download it today and you'll get lifetime access, and it dynamically updates. All right, so let's get into this build. I'm going to give you a full overview of how this system's working. We have a chat input, and here's the chat input here. And we have an AI agent that's connected with OpenAI. And then we have a tool. So we're adding a tool that the AI agent can use that is calling a different workflow. This different workflow is actually going to be the workflow that does the research for us, and the workflow is here. So the AI agent's going to be able to call this workflow, and it's going to use the YouTube API to get videos based on the query, the keyword research, the keyword or your industry that you put in. And so for me, I put in AI infrastructure, and it's going to get a bunch of videos that match that over the last week. So this is doing a weekly kind of research report, and it's finding, and I put a limit on it to get like 5 videos over the last week, but you could change this limit and you could do like, 10 videos or more. And I'm getting the past 3 days worth of content, but you can change this date to get you, the last week's worth of content. And so from the 21st, which would have been, which day is the 21st? So from last Friday until today, Friday is tomorrow, it'll pull 10 videos from the last week that were about your infrastructure, and it's going to loop over those videos and get like the metrics, like the views, the thumbnail, the description, all the content details, the statistics, and it's going to analyze all that for you. And to set this up, just put in your API key, your Google API key here. If you guys want more in-depth coaching, join the bi-weekly calls we have in the Discord, Tuesdays and Thursdays. I've been noticing like not a lot of people are showing up for those. Like jump in, because we're going to help you and coach you on this. Again, that coaching $67 per month. Just jump in there and you'll get all the free personalized coaching you need twice a week. But this basically loops over this and gets all those statistics and then outputs it back to the agent. And then the agent gets all that data from that workflow, generates a free research report that gets sent to our Slack channel. And so that agent loops over all those things, and YouTube research comes back to our agent, who generates a Slack message, a free Slack report, which we showed you. It generates a free Slack report, and it creates an email that you can send that email out to your clients. You can send that email out, because we talked about the one-man research business, building a research business. You could send this email out to any clients or any subscription model that you have based on your client's industry, and provide that as a service. And you can make this more and more extensive. Again, this could get more and more expansive. This could get more detailed, more intricate, and you could build an entire business and generate a ton of value for your clients just based on this. So one of the interesting industries that I've had my eye on is the med tech industry, but I also want to do fintech, and I also want to do ed tech, and I want to see if it can pull in 3 different search queries like that. And we're just going to test it and get you a little demo here. Let's just go with med tech for now. And so now the AI agent's calling the workflow, the YouTube search, and now the AI is analyzing all the search results for the last week. I think it's going to come up with about 10 videos, and then it's going to give us a Slack report. Now I can integrate this to your Slack channel, and I can send you the email as well, or for your clients, this will come to your client Slack channel and send to their email. Also, you should research this yourself. We have a clear trend emerging in the past 2 days. We have generative AI, treatment and diagnosis, some notable YouTube videos, innovations in rare diseases. I would go through and watch these so you can get a nice pulse on the industry. That also generates a report, a draft that you can send out. And here's our MedTech report. It has links to the videos here, and the likes counts and the view counts and everything like that. This can be integrated with your Slack channel or your Telegram or your WhatsApp, where you can message the agent right from your phone. and then it'll give you drafts and message you back, and generate your research reports in your emails for you. Let me just ask you this: what topics would you research? What is your industry? Comment below, and I want to know what your industry is and what you'd be using this to research. And if you guys want this installed in your business, the links are in the description. If you guys want to work together to get more of the infrastructures installed, more than just this one, or even a custom infrastructure built for your company, click the link below, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching the video.